Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a time warp scan. This popular visual effect works by freezing a portion of your image as a line moves across the screen. As the line scans, anything it passes over is captured, while the rest of the frame continues to update. This creates a unique, distorted look, allowing for incredibly creative and often humorous outcomes. We will explore how to master this technique. Before you begin, preparation is key for a successful time warp scan. Find a well-lit area, ensuring your subject is clearly visible. Think about the direction the scan line will travel and how your movements will interact with it. For instance, if the line moves horizontally, plan vertical movements. A steady camera is crucial, so consider using a tripod or a stable surface for the best results. Now, let's execute the scan. Once the scan line begins to move, perform your desired action. For example, you might slowly move your head or shift an object. The key is to time your movements with the line's progression. Practice a few times to get the timing just right. Remember, even subtle movements can create dramatic and interesting distortions in your final image. To elevate your time warp scans, try some advanced techniques. For instance, rotating your head as the line passes can create a stretched, elongated face. Using a mirror can duplicate the effect, adding another layer of visual interest. Experiment with different angles and speeds. The possibilities are nearly endless, allowing you to produce truly unique and captivating visual content with this fun effect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.